Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing and verifying Handbrake CLI because the Swift app will call it as a subprocess. Once done, make sure Handbrake CLI is reachable from your app, add it to path or store the absolute path. You will also prepare the source file path, a preset name, and the output file path. These are the first actionable items. They let you construct the command arguments. Do this now so your Swift code focuses on execution, not manual setup. You now build the process in Swift to run Handbrake CLI because direct system calls give full control. Create process, assign executable URL and an arguments array like preset equals fast 1080p30 I input, MP4 O output, MP4, capture stdout and stdir with pipe, and read asynchronously on a queue so the UI stays responsive. Once configured, set a termination handler to examine exit status and any error messages. Then call try process. You finish by validating the process exit code and handling the output file, move, rename, or index it and update your UI. If you need better quality, use quality flags or two-pass encoding, but be aware of longer times. Choose presets for speed versus size. Make sure to release resources and notify the user when done. If something goes wrong, check the captured stdir, confirm file paths and permissions, and ensure the Handbrake CLI version is compatible. That single check often resolves failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.